After science oral class, we will do revision.
Elephant. Yes.
Write capital letters A to Z. Everyone, take out your English copy. Today we will practice to write in English capital letters A to Z. Everyone, pay attention here.
Very good.
Say and write.
Lion.
A
Rabbit.
B
ये क्या है? Rabbit.
C D E
मछली जल की रानी है,
F
उसका जीवन पानी है।
G
लगाओ उड़ जाएगी,
H
बाहर निकालो मर जाएगी, 2 दिन रखो
I
मर जाएगी,
J
नाक में कचरी पड़ जाएगी।
K L
फ्रूट्स नेम
M
ये क्या है?
O
वाटरमेलन। वाटरमेलन।
P
ये है
Q
ग्रेप्स।
R
ये है
S
बनाना।
T
एप्पल।
U V
ये है मैंगो।
W
चलो हम लोग खाएंगे मैंगो।
X
जूसी फ्रूट्स।
Y and Z. A for apple, B for bat, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fan, G for grapes, H for horse, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot.
Now I am going to the class.
Q for
English.
queen, R for rat, S for sun, T for
A for apple.
tiger, U for
apple.
umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for
D for duck.
yak, Z for zebra,
A. E for egg. B. C.
After that, we will recognize the some letters.
D.
Which letter is this?
D.
Letter Z.
E. A.
Which letter is this?
F.
Letter Q.
Wow. ये क्या है?
Which letter is this?
for fish.
Letter S.
G. G for dress.
Which letter is this?
H.
B.
H for hand.
Which letter is this?
I
X.
for ice cream.
Which letter is this? C.
J. J for
Which letter is this?
Shark.
Z.
K.
Which letter is this?
For
F.
key. Key means chabi. Key means chabi. L. L for L
Which
for
letter is
lion.
D.
M for
Which letter is this?
M for monkey.
W.
Wow. Monkey.
Which letter is this? Letter Z. Which letter is this? Letter L. Which letter is this? Letter T. Which letter is this? Letter U.
तो ये है poem.
Which letter is this?
For monkey.
I. I for
1, 2, 3.
ice cream.
1, 2. You look so funny. J for
After that, we will learn three-letter
J for
words.
joker. You look so funny. I will
Amen.
come to see you. with
Man.
My dream.
C-A-T. Cat.
Crabs are juicy. Crabs are round.
L-E-Z.
Crabs are
Leg.
tasty. Crabs are around.
K-E-Y. Key.
I show.
F-N. Fan.
I show. I like
G-U-N.
I show.
Gun.
I've got there two.
E-double-G. Egg. N-E-T. Net.
How do you see? I
D-O-Z.
see you
Dog.
looking at me.
I-C. Ice.
Rabbit, rabbit, 1, 2, 3. Rabbit, rabbit,
J-U-G.
1, 2, 3.
Jug.
Will you come and play with me? Rabbit,
H-E-N.
rabbit, 1,
Hen.
2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Will you come and play with me?
B-A-T. Bat.
The sun is down, the sun is bright.
J-U-G. Jug.
Sing with me. Dear children, sing 15, 1, 6, 16.
Now children,
1, 6, 16. 1,
We learn
7, 7, 8.
10 little fingers.
8, 1, 9, 9.
We learn the rhymes 10 little fingers.
2, 0, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears and 1 little nose, 2 little eyes that shine so bright, and 1 little mouth to kiss mother good night.
in the circle. One,
से
where
फिर
is
से
one?
बोलेंगे 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears and 1 little nose, 2 little eyes that shine so
Yes.
bright,
In
and
circle.
1 little
Good.
mouth to kiss mother good night.
Letter 2.
Learn one
Come
word
on.
between
Where is 2? Yes.
capital
Two
letters
in
into
the
Z.
circle.
Okay. Thank you.